Hey guys, can you say hi? Look who we're here with. So here with Conrad and Charlotte. And where are we going today?
To the farm.
To the farm. And we're gonna go. It's raining outside. Let me show you.
So bad. Yeah.
I don't know if you can see.
And it's about an hour away from here.
Yes, it's an hour away from here, and right now my mom is locking the door so we can go. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's about to walk in. You say hi.
Hey.
Are you excited?
For the road trip? Everybody is. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. Wowie, I spoke that Maui Wowie. I know. I really need to go. Need to go. I need Maui Wowie. I spoke that Maui Wowie.
Hi guys, we made it to the farm already.
We're here.
We're the first one out of our group to get here.
Right now, look, there's little goats,
And there's
sheep.
bounce houses.
There's chickens
Bounce
here.
houses over there.
That's a cow over there.
Are there cows?
That's a cow right there.
That is not a cow.
That is a cow.
That is not a cow. That is not a cow.
It's a baby cow.
There's bounce houses.
And there's bounce houses. We're all the way over there. You can see it right there. There's more animals over there. Oh, there's llamas over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We want to feed them. Did he do this with his black boots?
Yeah. Be careful not to fall because there's mud over here. Go. There you go. That's how a true professional does it.
Yeah.
Conrad. Get up! Conrad. Let me see your butt. Let me see your butt. Oh my god. Okay, you guys just did the bounce house. How was it?
It was terrible. All the parents kept on defending me because all the little kids try to cut me.
Okay, how did you like it, Charlotte?
I went backwards one time and I went on my tummy 2 times. And I sat down. I was gonna jump, but I didn't want to jump anymore.
Oh.
And someone literally cut in front of me, just one person, and then that's it. I didn't get cut anymore.
Okay.
And Connor got cut a lot of times.
You did?
What? What? What did Sean say?
That you got cut a lot of times.
Yeah. I'm like, huh?
Okay, what do you have your food to feed the...
Yo, I want to eat this. I want to eat it.
You like carrots?
No.
So then why you want to eat it if you don't like carrots?
To not feed them.
Oh. Charlotte got hers.
Yeah.
You ready?
I chose this packet because it's purple and I... of the hay maze. So we just got off of something. Now we're gonna go to the corn maze, and then we're gonna go to the hay maze. Then we're gonna go to the corn maze. Bye.
Okay, where are we, Conrad?
We're in a corn maze. My last message to the world is please find me.
As you have Lily.
Everybody's
I'm at
yelling.
the farm. I'm at the farm. Okay. Guys, corn.
Yes, corn maze. We've decided to go left. Now, right or left?
Right. Right is always right.
I mean, it's the only way we can go.
Oh my gosh.
Well, this is a little tight. I don't know how to.
So we just got out of the corn maze. That's the exit. And how long did that take us? 10 minutes. Not bad. It was long. Like, you could see, like, all of that is all corn mazes. And then this way, it's all corn mazes. But my mom is still stuck in there. I came out with the kids. So let's see how long it takes her. There they come. There they are. At the pumpkin patch. It's kind of sad. There's nothing. These pumpkins are kind of, I don't know. So now we're back in the car and we're done. We're done with the farm. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was your favorite thing that you did today?
Probably the hayride.
You like the hayride?
Probably when I was in the bounce house.
In the bounce
It was
house?
fun.
Yeah, my favorite thing was feeding the pigs. I love pigs, they're so cute. That's it for today's vlog.
Andiamo!